Ma.
Isa.
Ang joke ka na ulit, alam ko. Hello po. Ha?
Madumi.
Magkaayos na tayo.
Tatanggalin ko to. Ito sa shirt mo.
Pupunta na tayo sa taping. Singgaling naman ngayon. Magigising tayo para mamatay. Let's go. Ayos. Ayos. Kaya natin to. Ilaban. Pero syempre magmamadali tayo kasi late na tayo. Bumawi lang ako ng tulog kasi yung pack up namin kahapon. Kanina, 6 AM. So nag-start kami ng shooting ng Mutya kahapon ng dito. Start kami ng taping ng Mutya kahapon ng 2 PM, 2:30 PM. Tapos natapos kami sa IK yon. Tapos natapos kami ng ang oras na din kami natapos 6:30 AM. Pero masaya yung taping. Yun nga lang puyatan pero okay lang. Parang parang kagat lang ng dinosaur. Hindi ka mamatay na joke lang. Pero masarap sa feeling na, ayan nga. First time din namin nagkamukaan ng overnight ng past. Medyo sabi ko nga medyo malilate ako sa singling kasi nagbawi ako ng tulog. Hindi kasi ako makatulog ng mga free time sa Mutya. Ng mga parts na wala ako. Maganda rides. Yung mga sinakyan lang namin rides, yung mga mild lang kasi yun yung pwedeng videohan. Yan. Saan ka po? Punta ako taping. Dito Mutya, singgaling. Tapos bukas, singgaling ulit. Tapos 29, singgaling. Tapos sisegway ako papuntang Mutya. Kasama mo kami, nak. Magla-live ako doon sa singgaling kapag walang ginagawa. Padala ko charger. Tingnan yung mata ko, halos mo... Hindi ang saya-saya. Promise, sinang taping, sobrang nag-enjoy ako, ganyan. Hindi naman ako nagreklamo. Saya-saya kaya ng taping. Promise, kapag kayo nakatry kayo ng taping, tapos sobrang daming fun scenes, grabe, mag-enjoy talaga kayo. Pula na mata mo. Ganyan ako kapag naliligo. Hindi ko alam bakit. Mapula yung mata kapag naliligo. I don't know what to do. Wala ka Mutya wala Mutya ngayon, 2 days. Okay. Wala Mutya ngayon. So wala Mutya ngayon. Kaya makulit. Actually, sa libro, Team Jerry ako, 'di ba? I mean, hindi as yan as Drew. Team Jerry ako. Wala lang kasi minsan natatawa ako kapag kunwari nananalamin ako ganyan. Sa peripheral view ko, nakikita ko yung si Ashton at si Andres andun sa tabi. Sabi ko. Sweet ah.
I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna try to get some smoke.
Kala nyo? Charot. Tagal mag-Friday, totoo. Ayun. Skincare lang ako mabilisan. 3 PM yung call time ko. Anong oras na? Diyos ko. Ma, last na yung electric fan, please. 3 PM na. Anong oras na? Oras na ako nagising. Sabihan ko na lang, sorry po, nasiraan po kasi yung car. Hindi, kasi sobrang pagod talaga. Pero di naman ako nireklamo. Maganda, masarap sa feeling. Pero grabe yung pagod. Lalo na sila, Ashton, di ba? Wala akong karapatan magreklamo kasi sila, Ashton, buong magdamag. Meron silang scene. Tapos, so yun, syempre, mas pagod yun. Sila Ashton, si Robin, tsaka si Andres. Ayun. Hindi, para feeling ko, mas nakakapagod mag-antay ng mga scenes. Doon ako napagod. Kasi, nakakapagod umupo. O, gets niyo yun. Nawawala adrenaline. Pero, super thankful naman kami. Kaya na alam nyo, sobrang galing ng director namin. Kasi ayaw niya ng putyo-putyong shot. Ayaw niya yung parang, okay, meron na tayo na take, okay na to. Ayaw niya yung okay na to na word. Gusto niya, pina-perfect niya. Kaya deserve talaga ng Mutyan na magkaroon ng high ratings. Hindi dahil nando kami. I mean, given na yun, pero because of Direk talaga. Kasi si Direk, sobrang mabusisi siya sa sa scenes. Gusto niya yung nabibigay. Kapag gusto niya nasasatisfy niya muna yung sarili niya, hindi in a bad way. Nasasatisfy niya yung sarili niya kasi purong tinitignan niya as a viewer, as a watcher, ganyan, ng Mutya ng Section E. Gusto niya ma-enjoy ng mga manonood yung Mutya. Kaya ayun, yung mga shots namin, kunwari sa call sheet namin nakalagay, okay, 1 hour lang itong scene na to, 2 hours lang itong scene na to. Ate, umaabot kami sa isang scene ng 3 oras kasi ang dami-daming mga wide shot, close-up shot, meron pang iba't ibang angulo. Ganun si Direk. Kaya sobrang hindi talaga, parang pinag-isipan talaga yung series na to. Eh, siya yung putyo-putyong lang, may magawa lang, may ma-upload lang ganyan. May taping po ba kayo? Meron po ngayon sa Singaling. Kaso hindi sa hindi sa Mutya. Sa Singaling. Kasi wala namang taping ang Mutya ngayon. Pero yung heart ko nasa Mutya. Kasi sa 29, dapat wala ako sa Mutya. Kasi dapat whole day ako Singaling. Pero kasi since crucial yung crucial yung scenes na nandoon na kailangan buong section E nandoon, nag-giveaway ako. Pinaayos ko yung schedule ko sa manager ko. Sabi ko, gusto ko talaga nandito ako sa scene na to kasi ito yung isa sa sumikat sa librong scenes. Ayan. One per week po ba talaga? Huwag ka namang gahamal, te. Magantay ka. Singkit na mata mo ya. Ano yan? Pagod. Pero okay lang, hindi ako nagreklamo. Ano yung in-spray mo? Gasol. Isaac Melo, MJ Pablo, Kai, hello po. Mag-aayos pa ako ng buhok. Kaya siguro sabihin ko malilate ako. Kasi ako mag-aayos sa sarili ko, walang makeup artist ngayon doon. So, ayun. Sabihin ko mamaya, sorry po, may late po kasi ako. Kasi inayos ako yung sarili ko, paayos kasi ako. Sila pa yung car namin. Uy. Angel, hello Angel. Magsa-sunscreen pa ba ako? Parang, bakit? Sino niloloko ko pag gabi na? Rons, hi Pia. Thank you Rons. Vin, hi Vin. Next natin. Moisturizer. Super excited ako sa character twist ni Drew. May enjoy nyo Si Drew ngayong season 1. Sobra. Siya ang magiging pahinga nyo. Si Drew ang magiging relief nyo sa series ng mga mabibigat sa season 1. Hindi siya spoiler. Para sa mga non-readers. Para kasi maaamoy nyo na si Drew ng season 1 eh. Para maaamoy nyo na siya. Episode 1 pa nga lang eh. Hindi mo alam kung plastic nga ba si Drew. Hindi eh. Sa lahat. Rhea Beach, hello. Akin na lang si CN. Ate ko, mukha ba ako nagluwal kay Charles or CN? Mukha ba ako may matres? Ba't sa akin ka nagpapaalam, te? So, may season 2 or season 3 po ba? Alam nyo, hindi ko masasagot yan. Kaya namin sinasabing yung character namin ganito sa season sa book 2, book 3 kasi mina-manifest namin. Iba kasi kapag nag-manifest ka. Kaya magkaka-season 2 yan kung yung supportan nyo talaga is Suramax. Ayan, kung hindi ka nanonood sa illegal site. Kasi kapag nanonood kayo sa illegal site, if ever man, paano yung budget para sa season 2, di ba? Kaya kailangan sumuporta tayo sa kung mahal nyo talaga yung film or yung series. Sumuporta kayo sa legal site kasi doon din kukunin yung budget if ever pag season 2, di ba? Tapos yung mga iba dyan, nagsisell ng mga soft copy ng libro. Ate ko, meron naman kasing physical book, bakit pa kayo nag-aano ng libro? Di ba? Niloloko nyo lang din sarili nyo eh kasi yung mga nagsisell ng soft copy ng book, pinambibili din lang naman nila ng subscribe. Hindi, dapat hindi ganon. Kasi kaya nga may author eh. Diba? Bigyan nyo din ng recognition yung author, hindi yung ganon. Kasi kung parang ang pangit. Kasi kapag nanood kayo sa illegal site, guys, parang kayo, fake fan. Hindi nyo talaga kami mahal. Lalo na yung author. Kaya nag-thank you ko talaga kami yung appreciation namin talaga. Dun sa mga taong nagsusubscribe sa Viva, sa Viva 1. Hindi ko masabi Viva. Ayun. Sobrang thank you kasi, ayan, na-appreciate nyo yung hard work naming lahat. May bayad po ba sa Viva 1? May bayad po ba kuryente nyo? Ganyan. Tubig, ganyan. Grocery. Kung may bayad yon, may bayad. Nuriba, hello. Manipul na. Nakunin ko lang aking concealer.
She's breaking things so quick.
Nakita yung concealer sa galit. Bago tayo mag-usap.
He's got a little bit of honor.
Hasan si Robin. Mukha ko bang tinake kong si Robin? Ba't nyo sa akin hinahanap?
I swear killers teleport so much faster. Where is it?
Wait lang. Ang hirap mag-blend.
This is the most elusive patch ever.
Isang Keisha lang. Hi, Keisha.
It's not all the way back here somewhere. I feel like we're
Sa makeup natin, hindi pang duro ngayon, guys, ha.
No, it could be that corner, right?
Pang yan yung makeup natin. Hindi naman siya pang feminine. Pero medyo edgy. Kasi babagayin ko sa damit na dinala ko. Ewan ko, parang umidlip lang ako saglit tapos lalaban naman ako sa buhay.
Where is it?
Hirap ng buhay. Sino favorite character mo sa Mutya ng section E? Malamang character ko, anong iniisip mo ba?
I don't know. I'm no longer the hatch whisperer. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. It's gotta be here, right? Where is it?
Ano oras shoot nyo? 3 PM ngayon. Pero hindi sa Mutya, sa Singaling. 3 PM ang shoot ko ngayon. Anong oras nyo? Papaalam na lang ako, malilita ko ng slide.
Dude, I am baffled. I feel like we covered almost everything, so maybe some small
Top trip ka
patches.
talaga. Hindi naman ako nagpapatawa, te.
Or
Nagpapatawa.
back here, maybe slightly.
Joke lang. Tawa lang kayo. Tignan natin kung makakatawa pa kayo sa ibang season or sa ibang libro, sa book 2. Pasahin niyo kasi libro. Sobrang ganda ng story sa libro. Kasi hindi din naman namin mapapangako na sa adaptation na malalagay lahat ng scenes na nandoon. Siyempre, hindi naman siya copy-paste talaga. Pero, as much as possible, ang goal ni Direk is i-follow at lagay yung mga crucial na scenes na minahal ng mga mambabasa sa libro. Tapos pa naman episode 5. Ate ko, malis ka na lang dito sa bansa. Tapos spoil ka pa. Atat na, tataing tae. Kalma mo. Calm yourself. Mag-antay ka.
Over here.
Favorite ride mo sa EK? Yung twin spin. Yung katabi ng this magic. Ang ganda dun. Favorite ko roller coaster. Pero space shuttle hindi ko favorite. Halos mamatay ako. Yun yung yung ride na dapat sinasakyan ng mga mahal pa nila ex nila. Kasi yung roller coaster bumabalik siya. Para sa mga mahilig bumalik sa ex, ganyan. At brand ng concealer mo? Korean siya. Kapag nagko-concealer kasi ako, guys, ginagamit ko yung may pink undertone. Kasi 'di ba meron tayong dark undertone dito sa eyes natin. Para ma-eliminate. Ayan.
Unless like we're sitting on top of it, we just can't do it over the portal.
Ilang oras biyahe mo? May isang oras. Yan. Sinabi ko naman na malilate ako. Para kami nag-field trip kahapon. Diyos ko. Nag-rides kami pero saglit lang. Pero grabe yung pagod sa rides. Ang kagrupo ko nun si Ethan niya kasi si Frost. Tiling-tili kami, nagpipilitan kami. Dito ka na umupo sa dulo ng Vikings. Uy, tigilan niyo ako.
Oh no. It's over this way. Please pick me up.
Sino-sino kayo sa rin? Kakaulit ko lang. Joke lang. Sino best ship mo sa section E? Ate, lahat. Huwag niyo akong kinukulit. Tapos kapag sinabi ko kapag may sinabi akong specific ship, mag-aaway kayo. Ganyan kayo Kapag hindi kayo napagbigyan sa mga gusto nyong ship. Kaya nga, as much as possible, pinapost ko lahat ng mga ship Next kong ipopost, Rosara. Siyempre, ito na nga ng trabaho ko bilang walang ship. Okay lang yun.
appreciate you. I'll give you a belly boost. That was very nice. I told you it was in the middle.
Kuya, wala kang tulog. Kita mo ba akong natutulog? Joke lang. Wala masyado. Pero okay lang yan. That's fine.
I wonder. Hey, we got a good medkit out of it. GG, thank you. Billy. Very nice of them in the end.
Kailangan kong doble yung coverage dito. Kasi hindi siya pimple. Mark siya. Ayan. Para makinis tayo kasi music video ang gagawin natin.
Yeah, we saw that. Increased throttle, decreases recovery time after using chainsaw by 5%. Does not apply overdrive.
Add crit po. Huwag mo akong utusan. Add mo siya. Pag live ka, add mo siya. Huwag mo ako inutusan. Pinabayaran mo ba ako? Check lang. Am I the employee? No, you're not the boss.
Oh, by the way, hold on a second. First super chat of the night, Nomas Thomas. Stay with a $10 super chat that says, what a
Ano sabi?
That was a tough feeling.
Na-add na po. In-add ka ba?
That was definitely a very tough.
Attitude yarn. Yuri, thank you so much.
Alright, escape one chase within 10 seconds using a void crystal. Okay. And then from there we gotta work up to unhooking survivors, we'll get the next trinket, and then this opens up in 3 days. So this goes for another 10 days, so this is gonna go past Halloween. Alright,
Will JJB with Yuri. Mukha ba akong author ng libro? Hindi ko po sure. Bukuan pa lang po kami, te. Skip na tayo agad season 3, te? Or book 3?
There is a lot of stuff to solve though, oh my god. They played with you the other night, crazy game on Hawkins. Possibly, I mean if it was on Sunday/Monday.
Upcoming provincial meet po ba kayo? Hindi po namin sure sa promo team.
During the stream. If so, GG's.
Kasi wala pa sa actor schedule namin yung ganun. Kasi tinatapos pa lang din namin yung shoot namin eh.
Is this your only job? Yes. Yes indeed. I do YouTube and I stream.
Yan. I saw you kahapon sa EK. Ano lang? Super cute. Ate ko, yun, pumasok kayo para hindi mag-rides. Ako yung nasasayangan sa inyo, te. Yung pumunta doon, nagtumambay talaga sila hanggang magsara yung EK. Sabi ko, nakasakay ba kayo? Sabi nila, hindi po. Sayang. Pero kailan yan. Na-appreciate naman namin kayo. Mas ginanahan kami mag-shot nung time na yung mga sigaw-sigaw kayo. Pero ang hirap i-portray ni Drew, no? Kahit saan ako magpunta, para uy, utang mo, bayaran mo. Makatuloy ako mangutang sa Makatuloy ako mangutang sa Siyempre, di ba yun? Hindi naman nakakilala sa akin na ako yung gaganap na Drew. Despicable me? Minions? Parang talaga nila may utang ako, te. Bakit red eyes ka? Idol ko po kasi si Yuri.
All these others you unlock in the challenges. I want backgrounds. I mean, this is a kind of cool background. You got this banner. But I don't know if it's worth 100.
Late ka na. Ate, napakialaman ng trip. Wala kasi kami makeup doon. Makeup artist.
Cool stuff, right?
Wala kami makeup artist ngayon. So, kailangan kong ayusin yung sarili ko.
Hey James, I appreciate it. Myers videos? Yeah. I gotta do a Myers video.
Mami pala. May Laura Mercy sa ma? SM.
Ha?
May Laura Mercy iba sa SM North. Parang wala. Kailangan ko ng loose powder.
Those days that I decided to jump back into Killer. We got the Void Cat now. This is a badge you can get, and then a banner. Alright, while we wait, I will be right back in 1 second.
Pahinga ka na, kalata walang tulog. Magme-makeup ako para matulog, guys. Hindi, nagme-makeup ako sa may taping nga ako. Singgaling. Bronzer tayo. Uy, really good.
Okay, I am back. Power my nose.
Sino best ship mo? Mama mo tsaka papa mo?
What is powering your nose? Shoutouts. I know we got some Twitch shoutouts to do. Thank you again, everybody, for all
Thank
the
you
love
po sa Mr. Suabe.
and hey, if you're new here, do me a huge favor, hit that follow button if you're on Twitch or X. If you're on YouTube, hit subscribe. Join this amazing community. Go to multi-stream.
Asan si Robin?
It looks like.
Di, huwag nyo hanapin. Hindi nga kayo nahanap. Hinahanap ba kayo? Tsaka kayo maghanap kapag hinahanap kayo.
Maz, maybe you can double check.
Tsaka ba, sa akin tinatanong, mukha ba kami magka-live-in ni Robin? Ay, nako. Sasabihin nyo, ang sakit. Ganyan. Ate, lumunok kayo ng sarili nyo lason eh. Kita nyo nakalagay dito, live yan Desus live. Nakikita nyo bang with Robin and friends? Tara kayo.
Yep. Fuck you. I'm done.
Free day nyo ba sa Mutya? Yung iba. Pero iba may taping Si Josh ata. Si Josh. Nasahanin ako. Si Kyosa may taping yun Pero siyang bagong series. Movie? Series. Ako naman may taping ako. Pero ano naman to? Singing show. Galing na dancer. Nagkaroon ng singing show na
Well, hopefully we got a little bit of progress out there. I wasn't paying attention, but we ran them for a little bit of time. The light just started to generate now. They're kicking pumpkins in the distance. We got a rescuer ready to go. Oh boy. I'm a little nervous that there was no work done.
Ito yung contour.
Oh, he's angry.
Hindi ka marunong contour to. Mukha ko may melasma, Hindi siya maka-contour.
Alright, he's gonna stand away. We're good. This right now. Oh, Dival Bandit, I appreciate you. Thank you.
Splash na tayo.
I got a flashlight. Are we gonna double flashlight this?
Dagdag ko yung dito, brother sir.
Come on. Oh, what the fuck?
This
I'm
is
so
how we
mad,
do
dude. I'm
it.
literally running into a wall. Ow, no. She doesn't have the angle. I appreciate you, girl. Oh, this is not the round. Oh, boy. If we get far enough away, we might be able to jump off. Oh, God. I need to make sure I'm not near a hook. Oh, there's a hook right there. Shit.
Tayo. Contour na ng nose. Mamadali na talaga ako. Ay, mag-aayos pa ako ng buhok.
Holy shit.
Kobe! Hindi ako kakain today.
Oh my God.
Ang dami ko nakain kahapon.
Well, we got
Tumataba na kasi ako, guys. I mean, huwag niyo akong tularan. Parang wala ako magpapaya talaga. Kasi parang ang laki nung mukha ko sa TV. Kapag kasi sa ano, sa camera or sa TV, times 2 yung ano mo, yung weight mo.
Oh my God, I didn't see this one. Crap. These hooks were tight.
0708, hello.
I try to give him hash, to be honest. I want to see what Sable does. Sable's like, help me, no. Which is fine. She's first up. Oh, he's back already.
Saan lakad, kuya? Mamamalengke lang, ganyan. Bibili lang ng ano, ng kangkong sa labas.
Oh my God. Not good. Of course. What's going on? Alright. Dude,
Takas na nylon ko. Sino ka?
this
Sino ka?
goes this hard. Holy crap.
Kablash na pala ako. Kapit na ako matapos sa makeup.
Yeah, that was a rough one. I hope, I want to see though. I want to see one of them get hit. One of them deserves it. That was brutal for everybody. It's working. This is the boys. Not in there, but. Oh, that's good. Well, she's gonna have a chance. She's gonna wait there till he shows up. Watch him come through for a portal. That would be the worst.
Tada! Highlighter.
Oh, girl, you got this.
Hindi ako masyado nag-highlight, pero sige, highlight tayo. Para sa magandang kinabukasan. Magandang kinabukasan! Ay, na-miss ko tong palit na to.
Come on.
Okay, sige, gagamitin kita to, Jay.
All it's over. Alright, well, he's got them.
Wala nga akong highlighter. Meron ba?
Jeez. We've not seen this in a while. Alright. Yeah, I forgot the endgame warrior for the survivor. Dude, he had no way out. We were so screwed. Tinker.
Hindi ko
He
nung
didn't have to
gamit
end
tong
that
Huda
early, but
Beauty.
he did. Pull this in the water, right? You go back to our Somerville.
Ito na lang.
That's good.
Parang naman magamit-gamit na yung masabing.
Also, give me a second. I'm gonna do some more shout outs here. We are in queue. And I'm not seeing many of those divider rods or whatever they're called. Okay, and we'll get some flashlights. 2 flashlights. Nice. Alright, Stoner build with Lucky Star, decisive. No heal though. Unless we wanted to swap out decisive.
Nagmamadali na talaga.
I am definitely enjoying having a more normal pink.
Nasaan na yung...
Also,
Ano talaga akong highlighter dito? Like the fine one?
Hyperjar. Thank you for the 1,050 bits. The thought I was late to the stream. Let's get it in high home. Hello, Raby. Hyperjar. I hope I'm saying that right. And I'm happy you're able to make it. Sorry it took me a minute to get to this. I was kind of sidetracked by the tech stuff and whatever else is paying.
Ito na lang gamitin ko
Yeah,
pag
hopefully
akong
you
dito.
enjoy the show. And
Mama mo.
that makes you the top tip givers. And then original Dr. Gonzo, Nightfox _. Hey, Nightfox, thanks for the brand new tier 1 sub. Welcome to the home zone.
Pangit naman i-highlighter nito.
Damn. Latex Chariot. Matt Jackson.
Alam
Mani pala.
mo yung may kanin
Steven
mo,
Bill,
meron akong
thank you
fried
for that
rice.
tier 3 sub. My goodness.
Nanap akong highlighter. Uy, mama mo. Ay, gago. Wala na.
Frank L'Oreal. I'm sorry.
Uy.
L'Oreal. L'Oreal, that's right.
Taray.
We got tier 1 sub. Combus 2530. Also thank you for the brand new tier 1.
Hindi siya nabasag.
Welcome to the Home Zone 2 as well. And then Raxkin, Ghost Ball 2. Shiro with the gift up. Thank you for that, Shiro. Reaver 7. Grim Knight 98. Mare 543. Michelle Yelly Yelly.
Ating choice. Ito na lang gamitin natin. Ay,
The Bearded Snapper.
baka meron. Huwag tayo mawala ng
Your
pag-asa.
sub-anniversary. Thank you for the 3 years of coverage.
Ay, siya peke. Ang dami mong dada. Sampal ko. Kaya ang sa yung mukha. Ayun. Kita din ako ng magandang highlight.
Fancy. DJJ Mix 08. Dark Fang Dragon.
Mariko, come here, I'll check your
And
head.
God Cheese Stick. Brand new prime.
Come here.
And with that, we're caught up on quick shout out. Thank you all so much. Welcome to the Home Zone and the Resistance, aka the Home Nation. If you haven't already, give them a very warm welcome. Because I appreciate all that. Thank you. And thank you to all the new followers, all the regulars, all the amazing people that are watching tonight or chatting. Or maybe like half listening. Maybe you're studying right now. You're writing in your journal.
Ta-da.
All the potato plates and stuff tonight. The new episode that came out tonight. I haven't seen it yet.
Magano na ako?
Maybe you're watching
Eyeshadow.
You're like, shut the hell up. I'm trying to listen to what's happening in the show.
So, bali magiging K-pop idol muna tayo for today's video.
Going on and on. Either way, though, I appreciate you guys for being here. Yeah, get another good round. Studying for medical board. Hell yeah. There you go. Making a cloak to go with the costume, Marie says on YouTube. Ethan thinks it's going to be Myers. That'll be okay. I don't mind Myers, especially following the team. Cobra Kai. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, Cobra Kai is coming back.
Focus muna ako guys. Dahil malilito tayo.
But I will say though, I would actually
Drink it,
love to
that's
see
medicine.
a demo between
You rest your eyes. Too much ano yan? Too much gadget.
even more Batman. You know, variety's good. I do still need to get caught up on certain things. Sure. Yeah, I got a big backlist. Oh. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff on behind that. A lot. Hello, Chief.
Hi.
Comment section is such a vibe. Spark says, yeah, no, we got some good pizza. We get rated. I don't. Oh, Shadowwolf. Hey, Shadowwolf. Thank you for that rating. I appreciate it. Great catch. You were able to do stream.
Blend, blend, blend. Glam daw kasi. So, malaki pa pang atake natin ngayon.
Waiting for an own survivor. Well, I don't know if that will ever materialize, but we did get a couple items in the game, right? So I got that own wraith cosmetic for the wraith, and we got the Huntress cosmetic. So I will take that. You know, that's pretty cool. Cracking myself an unsponsored tea drink. Let's see what the temperature is. 80 degrees. 80 degrees. I'll tell you, modern computer, it'll get your room toasty.
Blend ba? Anong ganap?
You ever watch
Mamamalengke lang po.
the Space Heater computer?
Hindi, may taping ako ngayon.
Make sure you get yourself
Well, para siyang
top-tier graphics
music
card.
video daw eh. For intro ng singling.
I'll tell you what. Oh, the fan's on, dude. Fan's on. The fan's on high right now. It's 80 degrees with air circulating. And you know, it's only going to keep getting worse. The 5090, whatever the next CPUs are, oh man. I'm predicting a future. Okay, look, they're either going to get way more efficient with technology, where they can somehow do more with less, or
Tada.
we're going to have to find some other methods to start venting the heat, or capturing it somehow. I don't know how you would capture it. Like, imagine in the future you're going to have to put, like, ductwork in to vent heat out your window, almost as if, like, you know, like air conditioner, there's like window ones you could get. Almost the opposite of that, where it's like literally you're sucking the exhaust of your computer out the window. I feel like that future is coming. Because the
Alas
top
stress na nga eh.
CPUs, they're getting so hot.
Wait lang.
There's nothing
Kaya lang yan. Parasan ko ako eh.
Yeah, this is something you were saying earlier in chat. So, I do want to see that though. I think that's going to be one of my Halloween movies. I would like to see Halloween 2. And then, I do want to start the Terrifier movies. Terrifier is free right now, right? On, is it Amazon Prime or what is it?
Tapos, kailangan natin ng Eggusal. Eggusal o Mang Inasal?
And Smile 2. Smile 2 out now on...
Thank you, goods na.
HBO or whatever is still in theaters. What's the story on Smile 2? Prime, okay. Prime Video about Terrifier 1 and 2. Okay, okay.
Thank you for the join, my team. Lagay tayo ng something.
Yeah, absolutely. Any new content, I'm excited about. They can say that they were adding like the 1930 version or whatever of Frankenstein would be excited. Anything new, anything with new perks, new abilities, I'm hyped. Guys, wait to the Coldwood Farm. Let's Sable playing the Halloween event. Moves back to the stunner build. Gotta remember that we don't have any exhaustion that's going to help with this speed. We must make this a slot. So mix up a little bit. Now that I've got my ping sorted, and go back to Spotted Sun. What are we going to be dealing with tonight, though?
Last.
Jason Myers.
Where is...
No way. There's no way.
Duh.
We got a demo.
Nasaan?
Oh my God! There's no way. Mr. Potato Head is here. I'm so excited. God, I was just thinking tonight how much I'd like to see demo. We're gonna go first gen. Oh God, hold on. You could have skirts up. Alright, we're running.
Late ka na, kalma nyo. Kasi kapag nagmadali tayo, pangit yung kakalabasan. Ayun na yung...
Silence. Oh my God, why did you silence?
Guys, pa ako buhok.
What the fuck? Oh my God, did he transfer Curious or was that Tinker or what?
Kilay na lang. Kilay to ano lang naman eh. Saktuan lang.
Hold up, I got you, girl. I got you. Come on, you got it, all booty.
No, didi. Uy, tanggal siya.
Oh my God. We
Kulay
see where
lang
the change is
naman.
going because of Lucky Star. We're gonna do double heal. Oh, why are you guys so vocal? You get both of them healers. Oh shit. Was that friends till the end? Oh!
Overrange.
Oh my God. Oh, that's a full prestige demo too. No! Oh my God. Dash is screaming. Dash is screaming. Isn't it Friends till the end? I think that's the one.
Thank you for the dalgona.
God
Poco
dang.
chibi samida.
We're in a tough spot here. I wanted to see a demo, but not the world's best demo.
Basta ako sa pili.
Let's do.
Simple. Tapos mag-ano na ako ng hair.
You, okay, you know what's good.
Oras call time mo 3. Nagpaalam naman ako. Sabi mo late ako slide. Kasi for sure mag-aayos pa yung iba doon. Ako dito na ako nag-ayos kasi wala daw makeup artist.
Alright, we're passing our defenses.
Thank you, Savannah. Ba't ang ganda ni Drew? Marunong ba kayong dumiperensya ng ano? Hindi lang pumuti ang aking piniplay. Meron din akong singgaling. At ibang karakter naman ako singgaling. So singgaling yung ngayon. Hindi pumuti ah. Kukulat pa ako. Ang red ng labi ko.
Oh my god, that's it. First survivor down. I'm gonna try to bait him out here. I need to get the chase.
Uy!
Is there only one portal open? I think, yeah, there's only one. No way.
Kukulot muna ako bago mag-lip tint.
One of us is gonna scream. Yeah, it's me. It's me, I'm oblivious. Shit, there he is. I'm in trouble. Oh my god. Don't you wiggle at me, sir! Oh, she's gonna scream. She's gonna scream. This is bad. She's gonna know exactly what she is. Oh, wait, no, she's not. Don't get out of there! I should have used my stuff.
Laya, Iya, thank you po. Sa imong suporta.
He saw her, right? Oh, shit. Did you have to slice it? So, you're doing it.
Do you have shoot today? Yes, but for a different show. It's called Singaling. It's a, what do you call this? It's a singing show. For Mutya naman, we don't have shoot for Mutya today.
I was like, I've got this story decisive, don't worry about it. I should have gone in the closet. Why do I forget this? Sorry guys, it's a newer mechanic. It's still not in my brain, like ingrained yet. I'm like, we're fine, we're good. No, not good. Yeah, we got top points though. Alright, enduring, so reduced pallet stuff.
Oh, you hit.
Press till the end. Go chase nemesis. Was I calling out the right name? Press till the end. That's what I was calling it, right? I think it was. Yeah, that's a dirty perk. Very brutal. Peak sweaty demo build. GG's. The survivor says this is not an insult. Well, hey, we got to see a demo, but it was a very high tier demo. I'm a fan of the endgame Mori. Insane decisive hatch plays make the game interesting. Oh yeah, hatch plays are freaking awesome. Like, look, if we would have been able to get off that decisive, that would have been cool. And especially if it led to a hatch, that would have been epic. But I totally forgot. Damn, that makes decisive less valuable for the endgame. Unless you could force a closet grab or locker.
Hindi ko din alam kung anong ginagawa ko sa buko.
Oh, mods. I don't know if the person who won the Black Ops code from the other day. I don't know if they're in chat tonight. Do you know if they
Tignan
are?
natin kung anong
I did
gagawin
hear back.
natin.
They're trying to see what they can do. So it turns out that the codes are for North
May
America.
shooting po kayo. Oo. Pero hindi po sa mutya.
They're trying to see what they can do. They said they're probably going to have an answer from midweek. Didn't see them? Okay.
Where's the hairspray? So, gagawin natin. We're gonna comb this. Comb this!
So I do hope they can make something work there. I mean, obviously there's teams over in Australia that are tied to Call
Ay,
of Duty, so
yung likod ko pa pala.
hopefully they can get them hooked up. Now Thomas, yeah, no, look, I could have forced it if I was thinking straight. I should have just hopped in the closet and forced him to grab. But like I said,
Ang ganun pang
had
kulot
that
mo.
constraint in my head
SM
that
department
Black
store.
Flag was more. I'm so adjusting to that change. That was my bad. That was a mistake. It's fine though. Hey, I mean, look, seeing the Mori, I'd rather die to a Mori than to a hook, right?
Hi, Zach.
We call it bad.
Huh? Is this Sam
Have you
Shof?
seen a horror sci-fi movie
You
called
look like Sam Shof, Zach.
Yes, I have. I think the thing is a pretty interesting movie. I kind of wish that they would do more with it.
Kala ko si Sam Shof.
Batty prefers the 1982 version.
Hey, boy, shit.
And which survivor does Decisive come from? Oh man. Was that Lori? Hold on, let's look. Should say on the perk. Yeah, Lori. Yeah, Lori Strode.
It's gonna be my hair
That's
for
when they
today.
introduced Michael Myers.
For today's video. Ate Marcel.
You know how you said you're just like a spider, and I said ignore them. Well, I was making my bed. Guess what I saw? Oh no. Goblins and ghouls. That reminds me of Ghouls and Ghosts. Classic game franchise. Wait, am I not right? Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh. never mind.
Ate Marcel,
We're in the
Mia,
lobby,
hello.
Looks like we don't have a killer yet. For a second, I thought I didn't queue up. I was like, uh-oh. Should we go back to a speed build? We'll do another stun. I do need to decide if I want to do a little bit of Call of Duty tonight. I did say that I could potentially give out a code. Hold on.
What is from my mouth?
Yeah, I've not been seeing much in the way of spiders this year. Just tons of ladybugs and
Done.
not even like proper ladybugs.
So, alis na ako, guys.
The orange ones. The
Bye.
beetle ladybugs.
Next.
I think itong